Hello there, you're welcome back to Biology Lectures with Ks3 Philip. So today we'll move on to gametes and fertilization. So you can see the egg there, and you can see a lot of sperm cells rushing towards the egg. Of course, only one gets to fertilize the egg successfully. So let's get started right now. So the point is, humans, we reproduce sexually. What do we mean? It means that we have two different gametes coming together to form a fetus or form an offspring or offspring. Now it says sexual reproduction produces offspring that are unique. Why are they unique? Because the sperm cell has some genes from the father, and the egg cell has some gene from the mother. So the features of two of them are mixed together to produce a unique person, which is not going to be exactly like the father or exactly like the mother. If to have some resemblance, it's not, I say the word exactly, it cannot be a clone, because it says here half of their genes come from each parent. So it's going to be mixed. So together, that's why you can't look exactly like your parents and everything. You may take the facial expression of your mom, and take maybe the fingers of your dad, or behavior. It's always mixed, so to say. So the male gametes or the female gametes are called egg cell, and the male gametes are called sperm cells, which I think you have done that if you have been watching these videos. All right. Now, gametes have adaptations to increase the chances of fertilization and successful development of an embryo. For example, the sperm cells are produced in large quantities. Now, for example, I think the sperm cells that is produced during coitus is about 120 million sperm cells. Yes, I know that is surprising. Yes, that is, I mean, it's that much. And you were the only one that was able to fertilize that egg, and I mean that literally. I mean, that's how successful you are, really. This is not supposed to be a pep talk, but that's the truth. So 120 million people ran a race, because each sperm cell is equal to just one person. So that's how important you are. So moving on, what are the adaptations of sperm cells? What does it have to make it do its job? Of course, it has a tail. What for? For swimming towards the egg, like you've seen this happening right now. And many mitochondria. What for? To provide the energy for the swimming. To swim demands energy. Then what again? It has something on this head. That part I'm shading is called acrosome. Acrosome contains an enzyme that we use to break the wall of the egg so it can go in. Now, when I say break the wall of the egg, it's not breaking the whole egg, it's just breaking the wall of the egg at the point where it gets attached. So it breaks the wall of the egg, and the chromosome, 23 chromosome in the head of the sperm cell fuses with the 23 chromosomes already in the egg cell to form 46. That's fertilization. So this now is zygote, so to say. So let's see here. So that's the sperm cell going in. So this is the 23 chromosome already in the egg cell. So this 23 chromosome then fuses with that to form that. So I just show you this to show you how the sperm cell, just only one sperm cell amongst our millions, gets in successfully. However, hear this. Somebody asked and said that, is it possible for, how about when two sperm cells enters, is that what's going to lead to twins? Well, I will advise you to watch my video on how twins are formed. But before that, let me explain something real quick. If it ever happens, which has happened before that, two sperm cells, sperm 1 and sperm 2, goes into this at the same time, that means this one has 23 chromosomes, this one has 23 chromosomes. So if you add that together, that's only to the one in the egg already, it's going to be 69. That is not fit for human existence. So what happens literally, is that this egg cell commits suicide and kills itself. We call that apoptosis. Just check my video on how twins are formed. It's going to explain a whole lot to you, all right? So don't forget again, the function of the sperm cell, or the adaptations are tail for swimming, mitochondria for providing energy, and the acrosome on the head to break the wall of the egg. All right.